Hello guys, today in this AI class, I'm going to tell you that how you can create this type of animated film and even without
In the
credits.
heart of the
So
jungle, a
here,
lion finds a talking mirror. It shows him a world where he's not the king.
I have generated a 5-second video because it will take time when it's generating and it's only one hour class. So the app name is Qwen AI. This is the app where you will get no credits. See, just go to Google and type there QWEN, Qwen AI. The first one you will open. When you will open it, it will first of all you should log in it with your Gmail ID and password as usual. I already log in it with my Gmail ID as you can see here. It is showing here few options. Whenever you click here on this more button, then you will get here artifacts, image generation, video generation. In fact, you will get the coding also. If you will type any command of the coding, it will give you coding also. You can make any plan. You can generate the news, analyze images, means you can compare the images, summarize text. Suppose you have a big paragraph and you want to make it small. Then with the help of summarize text, you can create, get advice if you have any confusion. Then like Google, you can ask it. Queen also help me write if you don't know what should type, then you can ask it just like a chat GPT. Brainstorm, definitely it's the brain power. It will increase your thought in a different style. Okay. So thinking, search, MCP, many options are here. In fact, when you will click on this plus option, you can upload the image and you can change it also. So this is just a name. It's really a queen plus no credits. You can use it many times. The topic is video generation, so I'm going to show you this one. Just click here and after that it will show you few samples videos that you can make this prompt, you can use this prompt. If you want your own prompt, then simply go to ChatGPT as I have mentioned here, I want 4 lines prompt of a lion story. So it has given me this. I just simply click here and copy. Now I'm click on Queen, click here on paste and here you can choose the ratio that which type of ratio you want. You can choose that one and then simply click here on this enter means upload option. Yes, come in. As you will click here on this option, then it will generate the story. It will take few seconds, not few seconds. Really, it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. When I made this story, it's approximately take 3 minutes. And then you can see the same prompt and same story. But here is no sound. It will give you only animated story. Now, if you want to take the sound, I told you already ttsfree.com. You just type the same prompt and
In the
then
heart of the
click
jungle,
here
a lion.
and then download audio. And after that, as usual, we did in the last class, go to Canva, upload the video and the audio. I think Canva, you know very well that how to do, right? Only the new software name that is Queen because it's free. That's why I just want to show you. Now, after completing this, I just want to tell you one more thing. Let me close it. Hmm, yeah, jungle. Okay, here, deep research, image generation. If you will click here, image generation, you will get also. But I just want to show you news. How to make the news. Tell me about health news. It is showing something. I just type here this one. Then it will show you that news. Tell me the latest news of New York. It will show you that one. Let me ask. Yes. Now I'm going to type here. Tell me the latest news in India. Let me check what it will show you. So it will work just like a Google also. Yes, it's showing regarding a Pakistan, Lahore and flight operations at Karachi, how many people are injured, border areas. It is showing all. So it will work properly. Okay. So the topic is image generation. You just go with that and then use text to speech and definitely can one quickly create a good story. Plus point is this without credit. Now just share your screen and then let it start. Okay, after this cartoon video, I just want to tell you the face swapping. For this face swapping, many options are there how you can convert your face to smaller to bigger. So for this, we click here on the apps in Canva. When we click here on apps, just type here face swap. Just use this option. AI face swapper or dream face. Dream face, you can just dream the face that what which type of face you want. I just use AI face swapper. With the help of this, you can generate the face with AI, just like an anime. And if you want to choose any other face, then you can choose that one also. So here I'm going to choose the simple one face swapper. Let it be open. It's loading right now. Use in a new design, but it has credits. You will get only one credit for this. You can convert your face from here to here. I'm using this one. Just wait for 1 minute. Let it be open. I have told you many options for generating the video, so you should note it down all. It will be helpful when you create your YouTube channel for generating the AI videos. Face swapping is here. It is showing two options. In the first one, you can choose the face, original one, and there you can choose the new one. So here I'm going to choose my face. I just want to check how will I look. So I'm just scrolling it and I'm going to take my face. Okay, it's not here. So let me choose another one. After that, new face. Click on this choose file. In place of this, I just want to replace any other face. Um, I'm choosing this one. And then simply click here on swap faces. Then both face will be changed. So like this, you can change your face with mom and daughter, dad and son, like that. Okay, got it? Now just try with this. Start. Yeah, so here you can see swept the face, right? And it's looking quite changed. Wow, that's good. Really very interesting command I can tell you. In this command, you can change your face in child, in teenager, in adult, in middle age, in elderly, and which one you like. Suppose I click here on middle age and I will click here generate and it will convert my image in middle age. Okay, so the app name is Picwand AI. Picwand AI with the help of this, my God, I will not look like this. So this is uh, age definer. The app name is Picwand AI. When we click here, it will be open. This is AI
And
image
can
filter.
you do child? Okay.
You will try, but you're already child. So just
No,
go there and
you.
okay, of course, I will try. Just click, go to Google, type there Picwand AI, click here on Picwand, get started for free. So we will click on it, but as usual, you have to log in it with your ID. Here you can AI image upscaler, you know upscaler very well, AI animation upscaler, art style, anything you can use. I just want to click here. Which type of image you want, you can choose. You can upload the image with the help of all these AI tools. I just click here on this open an image and then just choose the image. Basically, I just want to try everything on my face. So I prefer this one. Come on, there it is. Okay, got it. Now I'm going to take it. Oh, it's not showing now. Then I'm taking, no, I will not take this one. Okay, I will take my one only because I want to do experiment on my face. Okay, let it be load.
Ma'am, can you try child now on that one?
Yes, of course. If I have credit, then definitely I will try.
It's also need a credit.
Yeah, for this we need credit. So first of all, we will click here. Come on, child, or anything, whatever you want, and then click on generate. No, actually I have tried it 4 5 times. Now I know don't have any credits, but you can try. As I show you right now that how we can do, you can do with that. Here you can see AI tools. In these AI tools, you will get many. This is your choice, which one you want. Skin retouch, AI photo cutout, object remover, photo insertion. Again, I'm telling you that is your choice, which one you want. You just choose that one. I have taken AI image upscaler, then it will upscale your image. Then you can see before and after. Animation upscaler, if you will click here on more option, let it be done first.
Ma'am,
Here you can see the difference. This is
ma'am,
before and this is after.
ma'am,
It's showing quite change. Let
ma'am.
me click here on this more option. My photos, theme color, resources, adjust. It will show you your projects, whatever you have made till now. All the projects will be there. Okay. Also, you can create a models. If you will click here on the edit option, you can do the any change in this image. And if I will click here on AI tools, click on open an image, then you can open the image and then you can start. Okay. So I think it's completely clear for you. Now you can start with this. I think it's looking better than before. This is before and after. It's removed my all wrinkles. It's looking better than it. Okay, fine. I hope it's clear. Now you can start. The app name is Picwand AI.
Ma'am,